Hello everyone, here in front of me I've got three models from the Matchbox Moving parts. I'm not the person that buys the complete set, I only buy what I think is cool. And this time I thought this is a cool one. This is a super cool one, this is definitely my favorite. And this one is also cool because it got an opening part at the side. Let's start with the Mercedes-Benz G580 with EQ technology. What the hell is that? Okay, we switch to this mode so we can switch on some extra light. Although the packaging is cool, nice picture of the car here, and you can see where the opening part is. It is good for the environment, but you can't see the complete car. And in the past, I bought an Audi from Matchbox, and it was very ugly, and I did not buy it if I could see the complete car. So not seeing the complete car could be a downside. What is also a downside for this package, once you open it, yeah, you can't use the package for storage. Well, yes and no. You know, you can whoop and do it like this and maybe some glue on it or something. But it's better to have box package like the one from Tarmac, Era Car, Mini GT, Pop Race, you name it. But okay, this is good for the environment, and that's also worth a lot. Okay, so here we have the G-Wagon. And we do have painted rear lights. I like that. No license plate. I think with a car like this, it should come with a German license plate. Painted front lights. Black rims, which is a perfect combination with the gray color. Blacked out windows in the back. Now let's see if we can open this. Yep. And then we do see, well, it's improving, the steering wheel from Matchbox. Still not what it's supposed to be, and the technique is there, so a much better interior is welcome, Matchbox. That's an advice from me. So here we can also see the interior. What I'm also missing on the base of the Matchbox cars is the true skill. But the rest, I like it. A very cool Matchbox G-Wagon. Okay, next one, my favorite. For me, this is a chase piece. Today I found another one at Dreamland. That video will be on my YouTube channel next Wednesday. Yeah, again, very cool picture, and we can see the opening part. A lot of text. Officially licensed by Land Rover. That is what we like. That it is officially licensed. There we go. Yeah. I want a package so you can place it back in storage. And the package, you don't have to damage the package. Oh, there it is. What a beauty. Yeah, painted front lights. Nothing here. Painted rear lights. Air conditioning on top. I like the black here on the side. The black paint. That's really cool. And here we got the opening part. And we can have a peek inside. There is a kitchen. Some storage. Yep, very good interior. Steering wheel. Let's see the steering wheel. We switch to detail mode, and then I need my flashlight, and then maybe we can have a look inside through here, and we can see clearly that the steering wheel is a big stump, but it's not that super bad. Oh, I see another opening part right here. Interesting. We can have a better look inside. 2 seats, the kitchen. We have a look inside right here. It's a little bit difficult. How about here? Yeah, there are some seats. And this big iron thing in the back. Apparently that is necessary for the construction. We got an air conditioning on top. Like, that's cool that it has an opening part here on top. Yeah. And I'm a big camper fan. Oh, Matchbox here on the side. And good rolling wheels. Now, I was thinking, it has a tow bar, right? And Matchbox has this cool adventure trailer. I would say that it will fit. No, it doesn't. Seriously? Well, the hole is made for it, but this is yeah, too close, so it won't fit here. Ah, that would be so cool. Yeah. You get something like this, you know. Okay, I think Matchbox should make a set with a camper, maybe different color, maybe orange or something, with a matching trailer. That would be cool. Or just a complete camper set with different campers, including this one in a different color, because we already have it in blue. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite of this set. Then we have the Corvair Rampside Truck. Again, we can see the opening part. What I'm also missing on the package is the complete set. You know, sometimes they do have... oh no, that is Hot Wheels. Matchbox doesn't do that. And it's both Mattel, so... What is more in this set? Well, the cars that I can remember is the Mini. There is a BMW in it. Some police car. Durango, Ford Durango or something. Prius, I believe, is also one of them. Maybe more, but can't remember. Yeah, this is also a beauty. What a classic. And I love that Matchbox has painted front lights. And no painted rear lights. I'm shocked. And no license plate. For a Matchbox moving part, and for a beauty like this, it deserves a... Plastic. It deserves a full tempo. But nee. Okay, here we got the opening part. There is some sort of click system. And then your dog or pony can walk in. And you can ride with your pony. Okay, here we have the interior with the big stump. I know some of you say, well, what about that? What about the stump? Doesn't matter, right? Well, yeah, it doesn't matter, but the technique is there. And I know these are made for kids, but we collectors are also important, right? It's not all about the kids, it's also about the collectors. Don't forget the collectors, they are the people with money. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, yeah, I think they're pretty cool. There is some room for improvement. License plate, painted rear lights. This one is so cool. But I prefer one more premium with more paint. Painted ladder here, painted air conditioning, matching trailer, good interior. And here we have the first one that I showed. Very cool, love it. But also needs a better interior and a German license plate. Why you do German license plate with the Audi RS6 or the Audi RS4, but not with this beautiful G-Wagon. It's also a German car. So, okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. You really help me with that. Have a very good day. Bye.